Hey everybody. So in August, I sowed some rainbow carrot seeds. That was about 7 months ago. And this is what I yielded. Not much, as you can see, and a really small yield for almost half a year of work. Not work, but of waiting. But for my first time, I'm okay with the results. I don't know what I can make with such a little yield, but I have some carrot tops, which ended up being more than the actual carrots. I can do a salad maybe, or throw it in some kind of soup. And with the carrots, it's definitely not enough to make some carrot cake, but I think I can once again use them in a salad, like an actual carrot salad or some kind of soup, maybe chicken soup. But for the first time, I'm not mad. They're super colorful and they do taste good. I sampled some earlier. Hopefully this year I can do better. If you got any tips for me, comment below. But here we go. Rainbow carrots.
I'm just gonna cut them in half and put them in the spring roll.
I think it should be in focus.
Wow.
Am I in focus?
I'm looking at the thing, right? You're not in focus.
I'm not in focus?
How do you focus you?
Are you sure I'm not in focus?
You're unsure.
Okay, let me see.
It's supposed to be.
Pretty close. Okay. So if you hold it like where it's down.
You're finally in focus.
Okay.
Just your head?
Yeah, just my head. My
Okay.
head. Wow, it's salty.
No, just keep eating.
I didn't know which one to bring.
Thank you.
You were making steak. I bought this